Welcome to the SMLSCO Flange Factory, Wonzhou Yonghe Steel. Efficient, reliable, cost-effective, your flange partner. Founded in 2018, Yonghe Steel marked a new chapter for SMLSCO's in-house flange production. Operating 24/7 across 5,000 square meters, we maintain a steady monthly capacity of 350 tons to ensure reliable and on-time delivery. Our advanced facility houses include 38 CNC lathes, 8 CNC drilling machines, 2 cutting machines, 1 annealing furnace, and 4 marking machines, all built for industrial precision. Each flange undergoes comprehensive testing, including non-destructive testing, physical and chemical testing, dimensional inspection, PMI testing, penetration testing, hardness testing, and more. We produce slip-on flange, weld neck flange, socket weld flange, blind flange, butt weld flange, and threaded flange, as well as forged and cast fittings for diverse applications. Materials include austenitic and duplex. Sizes range from DN15 to DN2000. We also offer custom fittings and prefabricated components. We manufacture according to ASME, ASTM, JIS, DIN, EN, and BS standards. With ISO, PED, and NORSOC M650 certifications. As a stockist, we maintain significant inventory to ensure fast response. Standard orders ship within 2 weeks after 100% inspection. Our wooden pallets are precisely designed to integrate with European automated warehouses and crane systems. Earning praise from local clients. Partner with SMLSCO and Yonghe Steel, where precision meets reliability and value.